TikTok Lite QR code. So hey guys, on today's video we'll be discussing about the TikTok Lite QR code. So the TikTok Lite QR code is the fastest way to add friends or find let people find you and let people follow you on TikTok. So that's one of the fastest ways that they can add you instead of typing your name, getting stuff wrong. QR code is the fastest and easiest way to let people find you and to find people as well. So anyways guys, let's get started. All we need to do is open up our TikTok Lite right here, and on the bottom right corner you will see a person icon right there. Click on your profile and there and click on me. After pressing on me, you will see a QR right there, right next to edit. Press on the QR right there. After pressing the QR right there, all they need to do is scan the QR code to follow this account. All they need to do is scan the QR code. It says that after they scan the QR code, they can now follow you. And there it says that. And if you want, vice versa, you can also scan by just clicking on scan right there. And this will open your cameras right there. It says that. And if you want to save or share it, you can just click on share, or you can click on save on the bottom right corner, which will go to your gallery, and you can just send it to your friends or post it online. You can do whatever you want to do with your QR code, and they will just need to scan you. After they scan the QR code, they will follow your account. They can follow your account now. They can now find you. It's just that. That's how you do it. So there, you can see the QR code, scan, you can now follow. It's just that. There you go guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have no questions, concerns, type it down question below guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on this channel guys. Anyways guys, see you guys on the next one, and thank you guys.